Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Overall, the chart, kind of a little bit of a buzzkill today. I mean, I think that the first 30 minutes, the chart was really breaking out, and then the price ultimately did pull back to that area of the chart. However, that's just, looking at a very small amount of time, just a single day. When you take a step back and look at multiple days, while sure, today in and of itself was a little bit disappointing, from a grand scheme of things viewpoint, the price is still in a big overall uptrend. And that's what you want to see. So in fact, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there at 13 cents, because really the easiest way to continue to monitor the big picture uptrend, which I've talked about in the past, is that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as that line moves higher and higher, the straightforward way to gauge the health of the trend is just simply, as long as the price is above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. So sure, there's other areas of support, but in the spirit of just keeping this as simplistic as possible, just keep an eye on that purple line. Like I said, as long as the price is up above it, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm going to go ahead and just move this line up now that we have more data. Always a good thing to, problem to have when the red lines are getting moved higher and higher, or when resistance levels are getting moved up, which is what, occurred here, obviously. So 16 cents is now going to be that new key level of resistance, and nothing fancy behind that at all, other than the fact that, that is where the price, ran out of steam this morning, hit it during the first 30 minutes, tried again during the second 30 minutes of the day, and just couldn't quite break above it and stay above it. So again, that's going to be the key level of resistance going forward. All in all, though, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on chipping away and building these higher bases, which is what it's been doing, and if you picture those as stair steps, then yeah, just keep focusing on building the stair steps in the upwards direction. You can sit back and let the overall chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.